Hello everyone! I'm Bom Carrot. Today we're gonna make Bom Carrot Kimbap for sunny spring day. So let's have a look at the ingredients. This I prepared already cooked rice. It is risotto rice or sushi rice. And you need 2 seaweed. And you need this, of course, gimbap. I hope you have this one. And you need lovely little garlic, 1 cube. Easy. And you need Dijon mustard. And some oil and soy sauce and lovely mustard friend mayonnaise. And you need vinegar. Any vinegar is fine. And you need 2 lovely eggs, which they are free range because they are almost happy. And most important thing in this kimbap is carrot. So I will tell you what kind of carrot you need. You need a carrot. If you have a carrot, like 5 inches and 3 thickness is too skinny and too small, so you need 5 of these. But still fine because they are delicious, right? And I'm gonna use this 7 inches and 5 thickness carrot. If you have this kind of carrot inside, you only need 2, right? Okay. These are ingredients. Let's go and make gimbap. First step, we need to grate the carrot. But I don't want to do that. But I have a friend, super master of carrot. Super Madra, come and help me! Thank you, Super Madra. Now, we need to add some salt and vinegar in our carrot. You need to put 1 teaspoon of salt and 6 teaspoons of vinegar. And then now you need to mix. Okay, now our carrot needs to go to sleep for a while. And in the meantime, you can go and cook your rice. Okay, I cooked my rice, but let's not forget it is sticky risotto rice. Sticky. You shouldn't use that thin and dry rice, okay? Lovely little eggs. This time is happy egg time. You need to crack the egg. Happy! Happy! We are all happy now. And you need to put some sort of salt and stir well. You know this, right? Okay. It is ready. Now, the best way you can check if it is ready is the chopstick to the egg and drop little tiny. And then if you see this egg cooked very well and then it is making chick sound, it is ready. Now, you need to concentrate this very well. It's quite difficult, but I'm sure you can do it. Okay. Don't put egg all, just put 1 and 3. Can you see? Put a little more. Okay. Going well, going well. And you need chopstick or fork with this. You need to fold this and fold one more time. And fold one more time. And put rest of egg. And put rest of egg. You need to be patient. Oh. Look, lovely egg roll is ready. You need to turn off the... Let's make him cool down. Take a rest. Happy egg. No. Carrot, did you sleep well? Yes, look like our carrot enjoyed bath with salt and vinegar. Look, there are many juice. We need to squeeze this carrot now with hand. But before that, you should wash your hand, right? Okay, come here, my carrot. Come here, squeeze it. Look, million juice. And put in the bowl. And rest of them you also need to squeeze. Look. I'm sure you're worried about too many salt I put, but they will all go with this juice away, so no need to worry about it. Dun. Super power. Okie. Now carrot is ready. You need to cook carrot now. Need to fry it. Put some oil on the pan. And add all of the carrot. Carrot patty. And now you need to put 1 clove of garlic, but crushed one. Yeah. Very good. And then stir it. Let's make carrot cool down for a while. Have a rest. Lovely carrot. Carrot, seaweed, egg, rice, mayonnaise, come here! Okay, now we need to make kimbap, but first of all, you need to add some salt in the rice. Not much, but enough. You know what I mean. And mix really well. Okie dokie, rice is ready. And let's see the egg. How are you? Are you still happy? Yes, you are. But look at the egg. Egg looks big to me. So if your egg is also more than almost 2 inches, you need to cut it half. With your knife. Okay. So there is 2 eggs. Everything is ready. Let's make kimbap now. We need kimmari. Kimmari you need to put like this way. and put your kim like this, and put rice on the top. Dun, dun, dun. You can use two like me, or also you can use your hands to spread the rice. You need to press as well, so rice can stick on the seaweed very well. Okay. Now, add the carrot. You need to put the carrot. Well, I love carrot, so I'm gonna put lots of carrot here. And then you need to press. And add egg. Okay. Now you can add some mayonnaise if you like. But it is okay, still nice without mayonnaise. But I love mayonnaise. Okay. This is the most important part and difficult one, isn't it? Tricky, very tricky. But we can do it. We can do it together. Okay. Calm down. Grab all the ingredients and hold it like this with your fingers. Still press, and then put it down and press, and massage, and then lift, and on your left hand try to roll forward. You still need to put this on kimari. Okay. Now you can massage it more. Let's have a look. Look what you've done. Beautiful gimbap, we made it. Ooh, look at the color and size, just perfect. Lovely. Let's try with super food rayon. It is ready. Hello, super food rayon.
Hi.
I made gimbap. Look at this.
Wow.
What a nice evening. But before enjoy our gimbap, you can more enjoy with this sauce. I'm gonna tell you, you need Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon, and 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3. Now it becomes an autumn color. Okay, it is ready. I love gimbap like this, so you can cook yourself.
Oh, wow. Exciting.
I will give you the honor. Look at this. Let's try this beautiful kimbap super good rayon.
Wow, looks delicious.
Of course, of course. Oh, okay, you can think of course. 아이고. Thank you for watching Bom Carrot Kimbap show. I hope you enjoy your tea today. Why not?